Srimatre Namaha. Welcome back to my tutorials. So today we'll start from sloka 47 onwards. 47 onwards. Let's start with Guru Vandana. Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Vasinyadi Vagdevatabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namasivaya. Alright. So sloka 47 is also a fairly simple sloka and it has Padavibhajana. All these commas, they represent spaces. Alright. Nischinta Nirahankara Nirmoha Mohanasini Nirmama Mamatahantri Nishphapa Papanasini. This is actually Nishphapa Papanasini. Papa. Alright? Again. Nischinta Nirahankara Nirmoha Mohanasini Nirmama Mamatahantri Nishphapa Papanasini. Sorry. Nischinta Nirahankara Nirmoha Mohanasini Nirmama Mamatahantri Nishphapa Papanasini. Okay, moving on to the next one. Nishkrodha Krodhasamani Nirlobha Lobhanasini Nissamsaya Samsayagni Nirbhava Bhavanasini. Again. Nishkrodha Krodhasamani Nirlobha Lobhanasini Nissamsaya Samsayagni Nirbhava Bhavanasini. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Nirvikalpa Nirabadha Nirbhe Bhe Nirbheda Bhe Bhedanasini Nirnasa Mrityu-madhani Nishkriya Nishparigraha. This is Madhani, not Mathani, Madhani. Again. Nirvikalpa Nirabadha Nirbheda Bhedanasini Nirnasa Mrityu-madhani. Although it is written as THA, it is Dha. In this case, it is Dha. It is not Tha. Like I told in the last session, like I told previously, you have to make sure that you are remembering, you are reciting this as Dha. Mrityu-madhani Nishkriya Nishparigraha. Okay, moving on to the next one. Nistula Neelachikura Nirapaya Niratyaya Durlabha Durgama Durga Dukkahantri Sukhaprada. This is also fairly simple and it has spaces. All these commas, they represent spaces. So again, Nistula Neelachikura Nirapaya Niratyaya Durlabha Durgama Durga Dukkahantri Sukhaprada. Okay, 51. Dushtadura Durachara Samani Doshavarjita Do, there is dirgha here. Doshavarjita Sarvajna Sandra Karuna Samanadhikavarjita. Again. Dushtadura Durachara Samani Doshavarjita Sarvajna Sandra Karuna Samanadhikavarjita. Okay? Again. Dushtadura Durachara Samani Doshavarjita Sarvajna Sandra Karuna Samanadhikavarjita. Okay? Next one. सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमंगला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी अगेन सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमंगला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी okay going on to the next one सर्वयंत्रात्मिका सर्वयंत्रात्मिका सर्वतंत्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी माहेश्वरी महादेवी there is a dirgha on a e and I so please remember all these macrons महादेवी महालक्ष्मीर मूढ़प्रिया महालक्ष्मीर मूढ़प्रिया there is a sandhi between Mahalakshmir Mudha, Lakshmir Mudha Priya. So don't try to break this word. This all goes in one flow. So it is Mahalakshmir Mudha Priya. Again, Sarva Yantratmika, Sarva Tantra Rupa, Manonmani, Maheshwari, Mahadevi, Mahalakshmir Mudha Priya. Next one. Alright, so now let's look at Sloka 55. Mahabhoga, Maheswarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala, Mahabuddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahayogishwareshwari. See, you see the top line has the spaces, but this one you should not break and it has to be recited in one go because it has a lot of sandhis and if you break the words here it might change the meaning. So for reference you can in order to know like what kind of words are embedded in this particular line, let us look at Padavi Bhajana. Mahabhoga, Maheshwarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala. So this is first line. Now second line. Mahabuddhir, Mahabuddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahayogishwareshwari, Yogeshwareshwari. Okay, so once you start breaking and understand what are they, then it will become easy for you to recite in one flow. Alright, again. Mahabhoga, Maheswarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala, Mahabuddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahayogishwareshwari, Mahayogishwareshwari. Again, Mahabhoga, Maheswarya, Mahavirya, Mahabala, Mahabuddhir, Mahasiddhir, Mahayogishwareshwari. Okay, next one. Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayagakramaradhya. See, this entire thing is one word. Mahayaga, I mean, you have to recite in one go. It has multiple words, but you have to recite in one flow. You can't break it. Mahayagakramaradhya, Mahabhairava Pujita. So if you look at the Padavi Bhajana, Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayaga, Kramaradhya, Krama Aradhya. So it will become Kramaradhya, Mahabhairava Pujita. Alright, again. Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayagakramaradhya, Mahabhairava Pujita. Okay, next one. Okay, so now Sloka 57. Maheswara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini, Mahakamesa Mahishi, Mahatripura Sundari. So here, this first line does not have any Padavi Bhajana. I mean, there are no spaces or breakages. You have to read this entire thing in one go. Okay, so let's look at the Padavi Bhajana. Maheshwara, Maheshwara, Mahakalpa, Mahatandava, Sakshini. Again, Maheshwara, Maheshwara or Maheshwara? Maheshwara, Mahakalpa, Mahatandava, Sakshini, Maha Kamesa Mahishi, Maha Tripura Sundari. See, that's how it gets very easy. Once you understand, whenever there is there are no breakages and it has to be recited in one flow, you just start breaking the words to memorize it, and then it becomes very easy for you to recite it. Alright? Okay, now Maheswara Mahakalpa Mahatandava Sakshini Mahakamesa Mahishi Mahatripura Sundari. Again, I know I said this before, but I'll remind you guys again. Only try to break the words when you are learning or when you want to catch what kind of namas are embedded in there. But when you are reciting in one go, wherever there are no spaces, you should not break them. Okay, like for example, this one you have to read this entire thing in one flow. But while learning, in order to understand the namas, you can just break them. Okay, after that you have to read it in one flow. Okay, next one. Chatushtascha Upacharadhya or Chatushtaschupacharadhya Chatushthashti Kalamayi Mahachatushthashti Koti Yogini Gana Sevita. Okay, so let's break this. A lot of people find this a little difficult. Chatushthashti, Chatur Shashti, Chatu Shashti, Upachara, Upacharadhya, Chatushthashti. Again, Chatu Shashti, Kalamayi. Okay, Maha Chatu Shashti, Upacharadhya, Chatu Shashti, Kalamayi, Maha Chatu Shashti, Koti Yogini Gana Sevita. Alright, so let's read this in one go. So I mean, here there is a space, but on the bottom line there is no space. You have to read this in one flow. Chatushtaschupacharadhya. There is a sandhi here. Chatushthashti Upacharadhya. So it becomes Chatushtaschupacharadhya. Chatushtaschupacharadhya. Chatushthashti Kalamayi. Maha Chatushthashti Koti Yogini Gana Sevita. Again. Chatushtaschupacharadhya. Chatushthashti Kalamayi Maha Chatushthashti Koti Yogini Gana Sevita. Alright, next one. Manu Vidya Chandra Vidya Chandra Mandala Madhyaga Charu Rupa Charu Hasa Charu Chandra Kaladhara. This is fairly easy one. Manu Vidya Chandra Vidya Chandra Mandala Madhyaga. This entire thing is one flow. Charu Rupa, Charu Hasa, Charu Chandra Kaladhara. Okay, next one. Chara Chara Jagannatha, Chara Chara Jagannatha, Chakra Rajaniketana, Chakra Rajaniketana, Parvati, Padmanayana, Padmaraga Samaprabha. Padmaraga Samaprabha. Again. Chara Chara Jagannatha, Jagannatha, Dha. Chara Chara Jagannatha, Chakra Rajaniketana, Parvati, Padmanayana, Padmaraga Samaprabha, Padmaraga Samaprabha. There is no break here. Okay? Alright. Next one. Panchapretasanasina. Panchapretasanasina Panchabrahmaswarupini Panchabrahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnanadhanarupini. Again. Panchapretasanasina Panchabrahmaswarupini Chinmayi Paramananda Vijnana Ghana Rupini. Vijnana Ghana Rupini. So it will be Vijnana Ghana Rupini. Okay, next one. Sloka 62. Dhyana Dhyatru Dhyeya Rupa Dharma Vivarjita Vishwarupa Jagarini Swapanti Teijasatmika. Again. So, Dhyana, Dhyatru, Dhyeya. So, Dhyana, Dhyatru, Dhyeya, Rupa. There are like 4 different words in this one line that you have to recite. No breakages. Dhyana, Dhyatru, Dhyeya, Rupa. Dhyana, Dhyatru, Dhyeya, Rupa. Dharma Vivarjita. Dharma Vivarjita. विश्वरूपा जागरिणी स्वपन्ती तेजसात्मिका. All right? Okay. So today we'll conclude at Sloka 62 and then we'll continue in the next session. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Om Shri Vasinyadi Vagdevatabhyam Namaha. Om Shri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shri Matre Namah Shivaya.